Alright folks, we're going to do another video here. 67 Cadillac, replacing the gas tank. Alright, pretty straightforward. A lot of the big body GM cars, probably a lot of the smaller bodies too, same idea. Pretty straightforward. Anybody could really do this if they have a jack, a bit of hand tools, and transmission jack is definitely helpful. All you got to do is at the end of over by the filler here, you'll see two threaded rods, one here, one here. They got nuts on them. Place your transmission jack underneath the tank. Put some towels on it, make it soft, so you don't dent it, and then bring it up to maybe about an inch or so from the tank, and then undo your two threaded rods, and then, or the nuts, take the nuts off. And what you want to do is get to the back of the tank, or should I say the front of the tank, and then just simply, I put one jack stand on the passenger side. What you want to do is undo your hoses, right? So you got two hoses. One on the left is for the vent. The one on the right is for the fuel. They all correspond to the left and the right tubes coming off the sending unit. Then you've got a vent hose that actually sits on the tank itself, which will come with it. And then once you've got it dropped down a little bit, what you want to do is there's one ground wire that's right here. This is in the right behind the bumper where the filler is. There's also a wire for the sending unit that goes up kind of in between this frame here and the body, and it goes up behind the license plate holder. You have to get to it through the trunk, right on the right hand side of the trunk lock, or the latch. There'll be like a little rubber plug coming through the body. Pull out that rubber plug. That's where the connector is for the fuel sender. And then it's basically just to undo this cable, this hose clamp here, and you wiggle your tank loose, and then you just drop it down on your trans jack and roll it out of the way. So it didn't take me more than about maybe 40 minutes to get it out, maybe if that, I'm not sure, but I did it with the tank almost empty. Always the best. There's that vent hose as I was talking about, and then you've got your here's that sending unit wire, which goes up through the trunk floor. Alright, hopefully this video will be helpful. Send me any questions if you want, and subscribe or follow, whatever you want to do. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.